Yes. Yeah. Hi, Karan. Good afternoon. How are you? Second, your sound is
I am fine,
not
sir.
audible.
What's
Yes.
about you, sir?
I am also good. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Just give me a second.
Okay,
Okay, Karan. Can you introduce me about yourself, like your personal information and educational background and professional experience that you have?
okay. Sir. Thank you for giving me opportunity to introduce myself in front of you. My name is Karan Shitode. Basically, I am from Jalna. Uh, I have completed my graduation from engineering, Bachelor of Engineering from Swami Ramananda Tirth Marathwada University, Nanded, with an aggregate 7.9. Moving towards my technical skills, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. Thank you.
Okay. So, are you a fresher or experienced?
Experience.
Okay, so can you tell me what is your job role about your current product uh,
I am working our
responsibilities?
banking service
Mhm.
domain, sir. And I'm the role to the working in our previous organization is to loan up to sanction process.
Okay, okay. So how many years of experience you have?
2 years, sir.
Okay. So if I tell you, if I ask you, how much you will rate about yourself in JavaScript? So out of
Okay.
five, so how much will be?
JavaScript out of 3.5, sir.
Okay, that's better.
Okay.
Okay. So, Karan, so can you tell me what is hoisting in JavaScript?
Okay, sir. Hosting is declare all these properties shifted top of the scope. It's called as hosting.
So how do we declare in JavaScript? I mean, which keywords we do use?
Late var const, sir.
Okay, so can you differentiate between these three, let, var, and const?
Okay, sir. Uh, Let where is a create not create a block scope. Let any const create a block scope. Uh, where declare and reassign. Uh, Let is a reassign but not redeclare, and const not redeclare and reassign. Uh, Initialization. Where is possible in initialization. Late, late is also possible initialization, but const is not initialization before declare variable. And hosting late anywhere is hostable is possible, and hostable is possible, and const also hostable is possible, but answer is undefined.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
We use objects, arrays a lot in our application, right? In JavaScript. So can you
Yes,
differentiate between object
object
and
and
array?
okay, sir. Object is represented key value pair, and array is represent individual value. And array is stored in multiple value in array store and multiple value and represent individual representation, and numbering is mandatory. And object is store in multiple data a key value pair, but numbering is not mandatory.
Okay. Okay. So can we store like an object or function in an array?
Object, yes, sir. Both are
Fine.
stored in object.
Okay. Okay, fine. So can you tell me what are the data types that we have?
Okay, sir. JavaScript, there are two data types, primitive data type and non-primitive data type. Primitive data type there are string, number, boolean, null, and undefined. And non-primitive data type also has reference in non-reference data type, function, array, and object.
Okay, so when we are saying non-primitive or so what does exactly it mean?
Non-primitive reference, non-reference,
Non-reference or a reference? Like it does it they
reference
hold
based.
value?
Primitive is not reference, and sorry, sir, little
Okay,
confusing.
okay, okay, okay. That happens again. Okay. Yes. Okay. So what is a function?
Function, it is a relation between input and output. There are two types of function, uh, also three, but declare two: function expression, function declaration, and arrow function.
Okay. So what is a function expression?
Function expression, it is function is a declare a variable and return this value stored in declare variable.
Okay. So you are saying that a function's
And
value
is
is
declare
stored in a
value.
okay. Okay. So how does it will be helpful? You mean we can use directly a function, but you are saying we are storing the value into a variable,
Yes,
the value of function. So why do we do that? What is the scenario that we can use that?
practically do.
And we are saving the return value of a function into a variable. But why we are saving or what is the use case? Where does we use that?
That use number of times are you also run this program, then they use for function expression. Then the first is addition of two numbers. Then the console is first number a 2 plus 5. Then again plus to the addition of 7 and 10. It multiple times are used in function expression.
Okay. So can you tell me what is a pure function?
Pure function, there are three condition. The condition first is a pure function. Pure function does not depend on external factor. Pure function executes return executes return something, and yeah, pure third condition is a pure function is it gives some output, it gives some input. There are three conditions in pure function.
Okay. Mhm. So what is an higher order function?
Function, it is argument and parameter as pass as a function is called as higher order function.
Can you give me some examples of higher order function?
Map, filter, find every, and find index.
Okay, okay,
Also
okay.
reduce and sort.
Mm. Yes, yes. Okay. So can you tell me the difference between double equal to and triple equal to?
Okay, sir. A double equal to also check in also check in data type. And triple equal to also check data type and value.
Okay.
No,
Can you
sorry,
repeat
sir.
the double equal to?
Little
Yes, yes.
confused. Double
Yeah.
equal to
Okay.
is a check value, and triple equal to also check and data type. Value and data type both are. Sorry, sir. Little confused.
No, that's okay. Okay, fine. Okay. So I have sent you one code. Okay. Share your screen.
Okay, sir. Screen is visible, sir.
Yes, it is still sharing. Okay. It is visible now. Okay, just copy the code and write down the output in front of the console. Okay, we will check it later on.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Check in the console, in the browser.
Okay.
So, did you see? The-
Who is
So
wrong?
the second data type it is showing as object.
Object.
Yes. Okay. So check this after the interview and
Okay.
go thoroughly. Can you tell me the difference between splice and slice method?
Okay. Splice method, there are using string as well as array. Splice method
Mhm.
only using array.
Mhm.
Splice method, there are two parameters. Is first is included and second is excluded. And splice method, there are three parameters. First is index number, second is number of deleted count, and third is added of, no, deleted count is added of parameter. Also strings.
Okay. Okay. Just check it once again. And what is the
Okay, sir.
difference between we do have two more methods to check the condition in the array. Okay.
Repeat this.
Sum and every. So have you used sum and every functions?
Repeat this question, sir. Take one
Sum,
array.
no, no, sum and every method that we use on the arrays, right? So can
Yes,
you
sir.
differentiate between that?
Okay, okay. Both are different. Sir, firstly the file index, then the check it condition is even, then first number is fine, then the return the output, and if every higher order function is check the all element of the even number and then print the answer. Consolidate, sir.
Okay, okay. So what will be the output at line number 15 then?
15 is 12, sir.
Okay, and at 18?
18 is 12. Uh, Only 12, sir.
Only 12. Okay, take one more even number. So will it print? So for 45, make it 46.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So what will be the output now?
Output is also 46.
Okay. So just check it.
Okay, sir. Check with it. Okay. Sorry, sir.
Yes, check. So what is it doing? It is returning what?
It's Boolean types. Sorry, sir.
Yes. Okay. So we'll be returning boolean. So one more function is there, that is find every and we'll check. Okay. So we'll come to that later on. So
Okay, sir.
can you tell me what is a currying function?
Uh, Currying function. Practically do it, sir.
Currying function. So can you tell me theoretically? We'll move on to the next practically. So what does it do? I mean, what is the work of that? What is the use of that? Can you tell me?
Also, the use for currying function, one argument as accept as number of functions. Then the first consolidate A, after that return the console of B. Also, number of function also using currying functions.
Okay, fine. So what is type quotient?
Quotient is a conversion of one data type into another data types.
Okay. So I have sent you one code. Just copy and paste it. Okay, so what will be the output at 22 and 23?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, so you are saying 52 and 3. Sure.
Yes, sir. One
Can you
minute, sir.
explain me why that will be? Just go through it once again.
Okay, sir. Done, sir. Check
Okay.
it.
Check it.
Okay, sir.
Yes. So can you
So,
explain me why it is 52 and why the second one is 3?
okay, sir. This is the string. This is string also not is a addition of number and string. So individually is reference to string as well as 5 and number is 2. And only portion topic is addition is also workout and others subtraction, division, multiplication also basically addition subtraction is workout. Then the string also subtraction is -2. Then the output is 3.
Okay. What if line number 23, I make it as y minus x? No, just take it 24, line number 24, console.log, inside the log function, make it as y minus x.
X. Okay.
Remove that first x. Make it as y
Y
minus x.
X
Now what will be the output?
-3, sir.
3. Sure,
Yes, sir.
sure. Okay,
Yes, sir.
check the answer. Yeah, check the answer. Okay, very perfect. Okay. So I'll be sending one more code to you. Just
Okay,
copy it.
sir. Just a minute, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
What will be the output here?
Give 2 seconds, sir.
Yes.
I'm not sure for.
Okay, okay, no problem. Okay, just go through once again. So what we are doing
Okay,
here? Okay,
false.
okay. The answer is it is what? It is of Boolean, and it is
Okay,
also
sir.
showing as false. Okay, just check it after the interview.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. So can you tell me about the scope in the JavaScript?
Scope is a scope is availability and functionality of the any variable. There are two types of scope: functional scope and block scope.
Okay. And what is a closure?
Closure is the function. It is scope of lexical scope.
Can you elaborate it?
Function it is a closure. It is used to outer function also in inner function. Then the give output also outer and inner function also both are print gives answer. Example is closure.
No, no, I am sending you one code.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So just copy it down. Okay. So what will be the output for this? At the line number 36, after the 36,
Okay, sir.
enter and console X. Okay, now tell me what
Okay,
will
sir.
be the output.
Twenty.
Okay, we have one more console at line number 33. What will be the value over there? Check line number 33. Okay. So what will be the value over there?
The value is 10, sir.
10. You sure? Do you want to look the code once again, or shall we check the
Okay,
output?
check out.
Okay, just check it. Getting what? Undefined type 10.
Okay.
Okay, just check it
Is
after
it
the
immediately invoke function, sir?
no, no, it's not an ify. Okay, we are calling the function at line number 36, right?
Okay.
Okay, okay. So you aware about ES6, right? So what are the
Yes, sir.
features that we got in ES6?
Okay, sir. JavaScript ES6 features is let, const, uh, mm, async await, promise, spread operator, rest operator, destructure of array, template details.
Okay, so explain me about the rest and the spread operator.
Okay, sir. Spread operator is unbounded data is bounded data is unbounded, and rest operator is the array of the function is parameter pass as the remaining argument is close in array. It is rest operator.
Okay, so now take two variables. Let A is equal to 10. B is equal to 20. Let B is equal to 20.
Okay.
Okay. Now, see, I want to swap the values. A value
Okay,
should
sir.
be 20 and B value should be 10. But don't
Okay.
use any third variable.
Okay, sir.
No, you should not define any other variables other than A and B.
Okay, sir. Not recall that at that time, sir.
Okay, okay, no problem. Okay, so just go through the features
Okay,
of year 6. Okay, now can you give me an example of a REST operator?
okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, so can you explain me the code?
Uh, the console A's value is 1, B is 12, and C is the remaining arrays
Okay,
52 to
okay,
5.
okay. Show me the output.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. Good. Okay, so what is the default behavior of our JavaScript? I mean, is it asynchronous or synchronous?
Default viewer is synchronous, sir.
Okay, so can you explain me what do you mean by synchronous and
Synchronous means
asynchronous?
synchronous. It is a code executed by line. And asynchronous is a code execute line by line, but use the set interval time, also promises and async waits, then the execute the code.
Okay, okay. So can you tell me what is a promise?
Promise, it is handled to the asynchronous operation program in JavaScript. There are four state: fulfill, pending, fulfill, reject, and settle.
Okay. Can you show me one example of promise? Just create a promise.
HAPI calls, let's example.
Okay, you do one thing. Take one API and
Okay, the APIs.
yes, take the data and show it in the
Okay,
console. Okay.
Okay,
Okay, fine. Very good. Okay. So can you tell me what is fetch?
HH, it is a request to the it is a request to the background. It is API.
Yeah, what is the return type of fetch?
Return type of
What it returns, I mean, the fetch
Try
method,
and
what
catch,
it
sir.
returns. Okay, okay. Just check it after the interview. Okay,
Thank you.
okay, fine. So I'm sending you one code. So you need to tell me what will be the output of that. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, you sure?
Yes, sir.
You want? You can check the code. The sequence is A, C, and B. So how this code is flowing? Can you explain?
Okay, sir. Where this is firstly the console is a simple console log A after
Hmm.
the promise and then the set time on. My little mistake. Firstly is set time on after the
Okay, so what does this set timeout and
oh,
promise, I mean, do in here in this case?
uh, firstly uh, firstly run is a promise and after the set timeout because the this is the web API. I think so,
Okay, in
not
both the
recalling.
cases, like they are converting synchronous to
To
asynchronous,
asynchronous
right?
behavior. Okay.
Yes. Okay. So, but my question is, if you know, then you can tell me, like, so why it is consoling C before B?
Consultancy. Okay, sir. Okay, that is point is it is set timeout. It is a give some time than the millisecond. Then the firstly run is a console A and after the run is set timeout.
Okay, good. That was the thing. Now, if I make this time to zero, just
Time to
instead of
zero.
1,000, make it zero, zero. Now, what will be the sequence?
Sequence is a firstly run B after console A, sir.
Okay, then
Then promise, sir.
okay, so just check the output once again.
Okay.
Check in the console. Did you check? No, no, check in the browser. Yes. The sequence is again what it is same. Okay.
Okay.
Just check this after the interview. Okay.
Okay.
So what is a callback hell?
Uh, Callback hell. It is a callback structure. It is a pyramid-like structure. Is a as a function in callback hell. That the it means first interview is successful, then the second interview is conducted. Is promise as continuously processed. It's called as pyramid-like of hell.
Okay, so how do we overcome with that?
Uh,
If I
Set
don't want a callback hell, then what will be the alternative for that? What do we use?
that set timeout, sir.
Okay. Okay, so can you differentiate or can you tell me about event bubbling and event capturing?
Okay, sir. Event bubbling. event bubbling, it is the firstly run to the parent to child, and traversing to parent to child, and event capturing, it is to traversing child to parent.
Can you come again once again? That
Event bubbling, it is to traversing parent to child, and event capturing traversing to the child to parent.
okay, just check it once again. Okay. Okay. So can you tell me what is the difference between call, bind, and apply techniques?
uh, Bind and apply call.
Call, bind, and apply.
Okay, sir. They are three methods are implementing this implementing the function of parameter and argument. Call, it is a call function is apply and invoke the function. It is a argument. Ar, this is a argument, and apply, it is a this is the function apply on invoke the function call and argument array, and bind, it is apply invoke the function, it is a create a new function.
So just check it after the interview once again. Okay.
Okay.
So now, can you just go through this concept? It's an important one as well.
Okay.
Okay. So now take one object, define one object, name it as a parent. Take first name and age, F name and age.
Age. Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah. Now I want to change the age to 30.
Okay, sir.
So how do you achieve this?
Okay, sir.
Okay, show me the code. Okay, now console the original object. No, after the change. Line number 84 or 85. Okay, fine, good. So now take one more property in after the age as child and comment it.
Okay, sir. Repeat this, sir.
Okay, yeah. Take one more property, child. Its value is a function. Sorry, its value will be again an object. No, no, take it as an object. Don't take as function.
You object give.
Oh, no,
Take
no,
object.
child colon
Okay. Okay.
for an object. No, no, take the bracket. Yes. Okay. Now, take F name and age. Make it as 15. Okay, so this should be 20 now.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay, so is it changing in the original object? Can you check the original object as well?
Original object.
Console after 90, console the original object. Ninety-one is 20. Expand that 90 to line number.
92.
Yes, in the console. Go to the browser, expand 92 object, 92 number object, expand it. Okay, so now it is changing in the original object as well. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Did you understood my question? See, we are
Yes,
changing the age of the child, but it
is
is
20.
changing into the original object as well.
Okay. Sorry, guys.
Yes. Okay, so it should not change. Not to worry about that. So my scenario is it should not change the original
Change.
object.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So
This
how
is
do
the
we achieve this?
okay. Okay, sir. This is the write down code this parent and
Mhm.
this child the age. Then the console is
Right.
20. Then the change is 20. Only child element.
Yes. So it should not change in the original object.
Original array. Okay.
Yes. So parent object is the original one, right? So
Original
in
object.
that we have one more object, but it should not alter the original object. So
Original
how do we achieve? Yes. So do you know the concept of deep copy and shallow copy?
only read it, sir, but not sure.
Okay, so it is based on that only. Okay, so
Okay.
first you have done what? You have made a copy, so it's a shallow copy. But when
Shallow
it is
copy, it
deep
is the
copy,
only definition. Recall this, sir. Shallow copy, it is only reference the old object of reference. It is called shallow
Mhm.
copy. And deep calls
Okay.
also the inner object also print the
Mhm.
consolidate and the inner deep or deep shallow copy. Only recall that concept.
Okay, fine. Okay, just go through it very thoroughly, right?
Okay.
Okay. So what is a DOM?
Sorry, sir.
DOM. Have you used?
DOM.
Yes.
DOM, it is a tree-like structure. It is a document object, sir.
Mhm. Okay. Okay. So take one string. We will come do one algorithm. Take one string. Write down my name is XYZ. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Now, if you see in the string, so the string has 4 words. Okay. So 4 words. In each word, the first letter, it should be capital. Okay. You have
Also,
to make the first letter should be
okay, okay.
capital.
Capitalized string also.
Not whole string. Okay. So in the first
Okay.
word, you have my. So M should be capital. In the second word, name, N. Only N should be
Understanding,
capital.
understanding this
Oh,
question.
okay.
On,
That's it.
okay.
That's it.
Sorry, sir. Hello, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Not sir.
Okay, so for the same string, can you reverse it?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, so just try that making it capital. Okay.
Okay, okay,
Now, so take one array of numbers. So take any array of numbers.
okay, okay,
It, it should not be in the ascending or descending order. Okay, take any random numbers.
okay, okay.
So you need to arrange it in ascending order without using any higher order function.
Any not using higher order functions, sir.
Yes.
Using higher order function. Okay.
No, don't use any higher order function. Okay. Try it using the for loop.
Okay, okay. Sorry.
Okay, fine, no problem. Just try it after the interview. Okay, can you tell me the difference between HTML and HTML5?
HTML, HTML4 is also used in header footer section. HTML5 also used in uh, drag drop type, page API, web storages also are used, and multimedia. HTML4 is multimedia tag not supported, and HTML5 is multimedia tag also supported.
Okay, good. So, what do you mean by web storages?
Web storage, it is store in store in data is the key value pair. There are two types of web storage: local storage and session storage.
Can you tell me the difference between local storage and session storage?
Sorry, sir.
How different
Sir,
local storage and session storage?
voice is not proper, please, sir.
Okay, can you tell me about local storage and session storage?
Okay, sir. Local storage, it is a stored data is a permanently as removal, manually removal. And so session storage is data is stored is as soon as uh, as soon as a closing tab after the remove the data is garbage.
Fine. So, how do we set in the local storage or sessional storage any data?
Repeat this, sir. Sorry.
So, how do we set data into the
Okay.
storage?
Local storage and or store na, sir.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir. That name is
Okay,
Karan.
very good. Now, if I wanted to remove that means, how
Okay,
do
sir.
we do that?
Okay, sir.
Perfect. Okay. So, can you tell me what is a box model in CSS?
Okay. Every HTML is considered as a box model, padding, a margin, and width and height.
Okay, so can you tell
And
me what is this padding margin?
okay, sir. Padding is a padding is a uh, padding is a difference. Padding is a between margin and border, content and border. And padding is border is also uh, separate between margin and padding. And margin is outside face of the border. Is called margin.
Okay, okay. So, what is uh, what are the positions that is available in the CSS?
There, okay. There are five position: absolute, relative, fixed, static, and hybrid. Recall, hybrid, static, relative, fixed, and combination between fixed and relative. Not recall is
Mhm.
okay. So, one is not recall. That's it. Which is combination between fixed and relative.
Okay, okay. So is it sticky you are talking?
Oh yes, sir. Sticky, sir.
Okay, okay, fine, good. Okay, so by default, which position is
Static, sir.
given by? Is it? It is?
Static, sir. By default, static.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay, okay, fine. Okay. So, what is the difference between, or can you tell me about the pseudo class and pseudo element selectors in CSS?
Pseudo class and pseudo element. Um, Pseudo class, there are many types. There are nth of type, nth of child, and nth of type, nth of child, nth of uh, odd even, and pseudo element there are after, before, and after, before, first of letter and last of letter.
Okay. Okay. Good. So, like in the HTML, the very first line we write as doc type. Okay. So,
Uh,
what does it tells? I mean, what is it, sir?
doc types, sir.
Yes, yes. So, what does it implies?
It is a doc type declaration. It is the help to the run code in browser.
Okay. So, if you don't write that doc type, so will the code run over the browser?
Not, sir. Not easily understanding the browser, sir.
Okay. Okay. Good. Good. Okay. Fine.
Okay.
Okay, Karan. So I am done from my end. So do you have any questions for
Yes,
me?
sir. Please make feedback, sir.
Okay. So the feedback, like I'll let you know about to the sir. Okay. So you ask the sir
Okay.
about the feedback.
Please, the rating, sir. You tell me
Yeah.
rating, sir.
Okay. Overall, it's
Only
good. Okay.
JavaScript, sir.
JavaScript. You need to do work more on this. Okay. So
Okay.
till your level, it's very good. It's very perfect.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Have a good day.
Also, good day, sir. Thank you, sir. Top, sir.